Hello, welcome to the TV room. I am going to unbox this. But just before I do that, funny, I was going to do the usual program I put up here, which says World of Commodore, endlessly, World of Commodore. But it's hard to read, it's hard to see. And it's funny how when you get into a little basic programming, you can suddenly find yourself adding in lots of things. So I accidentally, when I was taking things or editing, I left off the semicolon after the print command for World of Commodore that would make it run and run. But as I say, it makes it hard to read. And then I thought, So what I ended up doing is, in line 5, the screen is cleared. Now I could have done this better, but anyway, I just was like, if you've got a line right there, and all you have to do is hit enter on it to get it again, I just did that. So anyway, line 10 says print, quote, World of Commodore, with an extra space at the end, quote, semicolon. Line 12 says print, World of Commodore, quote, no semicolon. And then I decided that it was cool if the screen would be cleared once in a while, because once things are just printing and printing and printing on the screen, you really can't tell. So I put in 15. X equals x plus 1 colon. If x is greater than 24, then print, quote, and it's a reverse heart, which is clear the screen, quote, colon, x equals 0. And then I put in a little time delay for I equals 1 to 100, colon, next I, and then 30, go to 10. So when I just run, and if I actually do that without it will print on the screen World of Commodore, World of Commodore, World of Commodore, and then it will clear the screen and do it again. Now, is it the most efficient way? No. But anyway, I just wanted to have this in the background because I'm not really doing anything with the pet right now. It's time to open this Canada Post flat rate box and see. Well, first of all, I got to see how you open it. Well, I mean, it's going to get in the recycling. I might as well rip it open at the end. Holy mama. Okay. And pull out whatever is inside. And it's wrapped very carefully in paper. I don't need the box anymore. I probably don't need these glasses at this instant. Aha. Alright. I sense. Okay, so there's some paper. There's some paper. And there is a power supply. Right. The paper. So, just in case. There's nothing else there. I'll stuff that back in the box. Stuff that back in the box. And there. And here is this little dude that looks like a little miniature 4040. I guess the top comes off. It does. It has an SD card in it. Oh, get the top on right. So there's an SD card in the front. There are LEDs. In the back looks. Oh, you know what? I think this will work on a 64 as well. It has the IEEE port. Looks like it has a serial port. And of course it has the power. So the SD card, which was very popular in a lot of cameras. There it is now. Oh, now this says it's an adapter. Oh, okay. So it has a tiny little card inside this bigger thing that plugs in here. And this is supposed to open me up to the modern world where I don't need a 4040, even though I like the 4040. Here is a power supply. It says Motorola. What does it say? Let's see. Input 100 to 240, 50 to 60.15. Output 5 volts, 850 milliamps. Caution, risk of electrical shock. Dry location only. All right, well, plug this in to this power bar that's sitting here. And let's see here. Well, there are things on the front. There are things on the back. Oh, there is a little button. Maybe that's the power thing. Well, I guess I will plug this in and see what comes up. Well, the screen is lit up. And the lights are lit up. But it's not actually saying anything at this moment. Let's see what happens if I push the buttons. I guess this is a reset. Well, something's happening there. Perhaps what I need to do is take this cord off of this disk drive and attach it. Oh, no, that's not good. Oh, okay, it's all right. I was thinking it looked like the power cord and the drive thing were intermingled. Device not present error. There was no manual with this. It's funny because when I saw it in the ad, it did have stuff written on the top. I don't know what these buttons are. I just don't know. When I hit the reset button, oh dear, 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 dear. I guess I'll have to look online, see what I can find. Device not present error. Well, that is disturbing because it did seem to, in the ad I saw, display things in this window on the top. I have not opened this promptly. I'll take the top off. At SD Plus. So I guess that's what I need to hunt for online. There are the buttons. Now the other thing I suppose I should do is I should make sure that the cable on the back of this pet is still nicely attached, and it is. But it's funny, in the ad, it did show things. Well, this is some disturbing. I will hit the reset button. And I still don't see anything. Well, I suppose we can run through the device numbers. Nothing is happening. Nothing is being displayed. And this is discouraging. Yeah. Well, so much for a brave new world. This is annoying. All right, well, I'm going to unplug this. I'll type run here. And I guess I'm going to have to go online and look up documentation. Perhaps also I need to look up phone numbers here. Perhaps I need to call the fellow who I got this from. I haven't opened it. I probably had it for a couple months. And say, okay, what am I doing wrong? Yes, it's a brave new world when, of course, wait for it. There's the beautiful sound of a 4040 disk drive. Beautiful. All right, well, I got to go. I have things to do, and anyway, what do I have? Where do I have to go? Well, I have to go to the world of Commodore, because the world of Commodore is coming. Not now. On November 30th and December 1st at the Admiral Inn in Mississauga, Ontario. Just a little bit out of Toronto. It's part of the GTA, right near the highway, not far from the airport, and it will be magic. So we'll see you at the world of Commodore, and we'll see what I can find out about what is up with this thing that I just plugged in. And I don't remember what's supposed to be on the screen. I just saw it in the ad. But whatever it's supposed to be doing, it's not doing. So, anyway, thanks for coming. Guess I'll hold off on the rejoicing for now. We'll see you again later.